My name is Lee Attwood. I am a NQP2 South Central Ambulance Service. I've been with SCAS for 7 years and I was one of the internal apprenticeship paramedic students. One of the biggest challenges when responding on blue lights on an ambulance to an incident is normally driver patience. I think drivers forget that we are in a van and it is a big vehicle. It's slow to get up to speed, and I think that can be quite confusing because I think when vehicles are on blue lights they think that we're going to be going a lot faster than we actually can, and that causes some confusion. So I think sometimes drivers lose a little bit of patience with us and don't really understand what we're trying to achieve. We're trying to progress and not drive at high speeds. First things that come into mind if we're going to an RTC is obviously it's the safety of the crew. Are we going to be safe when we're on scene? And probably sort of how serious, number of cars, number of vehicles, and number of patients that we're dealing with initially. Some of the most common reasons that we get called to are normally speed related, probably some drink driving related incidents, and there are just general sort of people loss of maybe using mobile phones, not paying attention. So some of the types of injuries that people sustain are limb amputations, obviously a traumatic arrest, which is quite hectic on scene, especially for bystanders while they're waiting for us, and especially like crush injuries as well. And on the flip side of that, we have the other sort of parties involved that were not related to that driver, so that driver can cause serious injuries to other people on the road. To deal with these incidents, I think what's really important is a debrief afterwards. We normally have what's a hot debrief on scene if it's possible, which we did. We normally do it sort of incidents with HEMS, which is really useful. Once we're back at station, we've got our colleagues to talk to, our team leaders, and if anything needs referring on, we have the trim referrals, and then there's obviously task as well. Really important, and I think it's important to talk about these incidents if you feel the need to, so that if you need any further help you can be referred and colleagues can express their concern for each other.